hearing about W D Gann for years, but have only recently started a search for a Gann mentor. I discovered ASHWIN on YouTube one day and watched all of his reviews, which were all positive. After looking at his course outline, I made contact to see if he would mentor me. Our first session was very surprising when he introduced me to one of Gann's hidden cycles right off the bat and proceeded to show me on numerous charts of my choosing how to use it. His course includes everything Gann used, including the mathematics, astrology, and astronomy. His teaching style is to make sure you understand what he's showing you before he ends the lesson. I had spent countless hours trying to find the coded material in Gann's books and courses, but there was so much I couldn't find. I think anyone can learn Gann with the right mentor. I really made the right decision choosing ASHWIN to mentor me. Having ASHWIN point the way is a blessing. It'll shortcut what would take years to find. Having a mentor, I feel, will save me a lot of money by getting the proper background and knowledge to trade by.